Welcome back to the Rolling Robot series. If you just joined our series, we are creating this rolling robot chassis. In this episode, we are going to make a quick blank drawing template. It's my personal preference to use a blank sheet when I document my designs, and I'll share with you why that is. Click the link below to download the necessary files to follow along with the tutorials. When I work with drawings, I like to have a template that is a blank sheet of paper. I begin by creating a new drawing. Once the sheet appears, I right-click on the sheet and select Properties. I want a C-size landscape sheet for my template. To make the sheet blank, I uncheck Display Sheet Format. Apply the changes. Now I'm ready to save my drawing template. Click File, Save As, and select Drawing Template from the file type. This automatically maps you to the correct template directory. I name the template Frame. Close the drawing. Now to test, create a new drawing. You should see the template called Frame populated in the list of templates. Test it out. It looks good. Now we are ready to document our design. Now that you have seen how easy it is to create a drawing template, you should give it a try. Join me next time and we will use our drawing template to document our robot chassis. Thanks for tuning into the series, Rolling Robots. I'll see you in the next episode.